Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to replace your engine air filter on your Honda CR-V. Start out by removing this engine cover just by pulling up on it, and it just lifts up very easily, and just set that to the side. And then next we have to loosen these two bolts here using a 8mm socket and ratchet. Just give it a few turns with the ratchet and then the rest turns real easily by hand. And get those loosened up. And then we're just going to pull up on the front of the filter cover and just pull directly out on it, and it comes right out. And then we'll just set that to the side, and then we're going to pull out on the filter, and it just lifts right out. And we'll go ahead and swap this out for our new filter, and I'm just going to be using an Amazon filter brand that I like. I'll link to that in the description below. Then we're going to take our new filter, and you want to make sure that the tab on top, that long tab, is towards the back of the vehicle, towards the back passenger side. So we're just going to lay that in. And then when we go to put our cover back in, it's very important that you see how I'm putting the cover in. It needs to go in exactly how it's positioned there. Because if you try to work it in at any other angle, it's not going to go in. So put it in, like, it's kind of like you're putting the cover in vertically, and then you rotate it as you get it past that hose. But it's a little tight getting it back in. After you go in vertically, you're just going to have to wiggle it around a little bit to get it situated and get it seated properly. Honda really gives you very little wiggle room on this model. And once I have the cover seated, then I like to go ahead and start the bolts by hand. And then I'll grab my extension and my socket and just thread them all the way down. And then I'll go ahead and grab my ratchet. And then we're going to put our engine cover back on. And to do that, we just want to make sure we align these holes with the pins that are on top of the valve cover here. So you just want to line it up first and make sure it's seated, and then go ahead and just tap it down, get it locked in. And that's it, guys. That's how you replace your engine air filter. Thanks for watching.